Hey, happy Thursday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I wanted to talk about a new feature I read about Microsoft is trying in their insider builds for Windows 11. They're calling it a cloud rebuild feature, where basically if you have to reinstall Windows, one of the recovery options is going to be a cloud rebuild. Where, of course, they'll give you another, a clean image of the Windows 11. And then they're going to also add the drivers for your PC or the target one that's being restored or rebuilt, so to speak, the drivers from Windows Update. So rather than having to, image it and then hope you have a NIC driver or wireless or however you're connecting, and then waiting for Windows 11 to, go call home and grab the drivers and bring them down and update or, download them and then install them and then reboot and all that. They're going to try to make the Windows 11 restore process a little smoother. So I hope that makes it out of insider testing, because it does sound like a handy feature where it'll cut down on that time it takes you to restore your PC back to ready to use. So hope that helps. We are stocked with PCs here at the shop. We've got Windows 11 laptops and desktops. We've got some Windows 7 stuff for the retro gamers out there. And we've got Linux laptops and desktops. So we've got hardware. If you, doing some back to school shopping or it's time to replace a piece of machinery, come on by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121. And we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in. And by all means, head over to our YouTube channel. We have all our archive content over there. Thanks for tuning in, and y'all have a good morning.